In the heart of this digital forge, a script of 350 lines has been tempered and shaped, forging a path where 3 YouTube channels ran unattended for a fortnight and a day. This is Kokoro TTS V050, a local voice synthesis engine that melds seamlessly into automated content pipelines, eliminating the need for costly monthly fees of up to $25. Crafted with precision, this robust system serves as a furnace, converting text into lifelike speech, capable of delivering engaging content without human intervention. It's not just a tool, but an artisan honing his craft, tirelessly working day and night to ensure that your digital forge never rests, continuously producing high-quality content. In this tutorial, we will forge a new understanding of how to build, integrate, and optimize Kokoro TTS V050 within your automated content pipeline. Let the fire of knowledge ignite your creativity as we delve into this masterpiece, shaping the future of digital media production. Chapter: The Problem in the Crucible of Progress, where automation and content intertwine, a persistent challenge has surfaced: localized voice synthesis for seamless integration within automated content pipelines. The cost of manual labor in this realm is formidable. A single professional voiceover artist, tasked with delivering hours of high-quality audio weekly, may command anywhere from $150 to $300 per hour, a significant expense that mounts rapidly when scaled for mass production. The conventional solution lies in pre-recorded synthetic voices, but these are fraught with pitfalls. The failure mode is evident. While pre-recorded synthesized speech may suffice for simple, scripted applications, it falters in adaptability and naturalness when confronted with dynamic content or nuanced dialogue. Contextual understanding remains elusive, resulting in an artificial, disjointed user experience that undermines engagement and credibility. You, the discerning craftsman, have ventured down this path, seeking a solution to bridge the gap between automated content and human-like voice synthesis. Yet, the pre-recorded voices you've employed have proven inadequate, their limitations exposed when challenged by the intricacies of your creations. The time has come to forge a new tool, one that can bend to the will of your pipelines, imbuing them with the soulful resonance of localized, adaptive speech. Chapter: The Materials within the crucible of this forge, we shape Kokoro TTS V050, a local voice synthesis solution for automated content pipelines. Each component in our stack has been carefully chosen, honed, and tempered to ensure its purpose within our creation. At the heart of our endeavor lies PyTorch, a powerful open-source machine learning library developed by Facebook's AI research lab. Version 1.8.0 is our ally, offering flexibility, speed, and a rich ecosystem that bolsters the development of our voice synthesis model. For text preprocessing, we utilize the Natural Language Toolkit, NLTK, a vast collection of natural language processing, NLP, tools implemented in Python. NLTK 3.5.2 serves as our linguistic blacksmith, crafting clean and meaningful input for our model. In contrast to SPA-SCI, another powerful NLP library, NLTK offers extensive documentation, making it more accessible for beginners while still catering to advanced users. Our voice synthesis model is built upon WaveGlow, a waveform-generating autoregressive flow developed by Stability AI. This open-source technology, integrated into PyTorch, provides high-quality speech synthesis with a small model footprint. Though Tachytron 2 offers comparable results, its larger model size and sequential processing make WaveGlow the preferred choice for our use case. The TTS engine we employ is Library TTS, an open-source TTS system developed by Mozilla Research. This tool leverages the library speech dataset to train text-to-speech models. Version 0.4.1 of Library TTS provides a well-established foundation for our work, offering a balance between performance and ease of integration with our other components. To ensure seamless integration and orchestration of all these components, we use TensorFlow Serving, an open-source machine learning model serving platform developed by Google Brain. This versatile tool allows us to easily deploy trained models in production environments, enabling the automation of content generation pipelines. The cost for each component varies. PyTorch, NLTK, WaveGlow, and Library TTS are all open source and free to use. TensorFlow Serving is also open source, but requires infrastructure costs when deployed in a production environment. However, these investments pay off through the unparalleled versatility and flexibility our forged creation offers in automating content pipelines. Chapter The Build the Heart of Kokoro TTS V050 lies in its local voice synthesis, a melody woven from code and data. We shall forge this symphony step by step, imbuing it with life within our automated content pipelines. First, we prepare the foundation, the Python environment. Activate your virtual environment. Bash source activate Kokoro env next. Navigate to the project directory where Kokoro resides. This is our forge, a crucible of innovation. Bash cd:/project/Kokoro, our first step, involves installing dependencies. With these tools at our disposal, we shall shape the future. Bash pip install R requirements. txt now, let's forge the voice model. We will craft it from raw data and transform it into a format compatible with our synthesis engine. Bash Python preprocess data. pyconfig config/tachytron2/voice actor. YAML the expected output is a folder named preprocess data, containing the voice actor's data in the required format. With these tools at our disposal, we shall shape the future. Bash pip install R requirements. txt now, let's forge the voice model. Inspect it to ensure its presence. Bash ls preprocess data next. We move on to training our Tachytron2 model, the core of Kokoro's synthesis engine. This is a process of learning and refinement, much like hammering a sword. Bash Python train. pyconfig config/tachytron2/train voice actor. YAML as the training progresses, you may encounter an error due to GPU memory limitations. Adjust the batch size in the configuration file to allocate less memory per iteration. Error message, runtime error, out of memory cause, insufficient GPU memory for training with the current batch size. Fix, reduce the batch size in the train voice actor. YAML file e.g. change batch size, 16 to batch size, 8. Once training is complete, we shall test our newly forged voice model. We generate a sample audio file to verify its functionality. Bash Python tachytron2/generate audio. pyconfig config/tachytron2/generate. YAML inspect the generated audio file using a media player such as VLC or FFmpeg. Bash ffplay. Kokoro sample. WAV our voice model should now be functioning correctly, its melodies echoing in harmony with our automated content pipelines. Fix, reduce the batch size in the train voice actor. YAML file e.g. change batch size, 16 to batch size, 8. Once training is complete, we shall test our newly forged voice model. However, we may encounter another error during testing. Due to issues with the audio file's format or quality, error message, value error, could not read file, Kokoro sample. WAV cause, the generated audio file has improper formatting or corruption. Fix, reduce the batch size in the train voice actor. YAML file e.g. change batch size, 16 to batch size, 8. Once training is complete, we shall test our newly forged voice model. Fix, delete the corrupted file and regenerate it by rerunning the generate audio, py script. With these steps, we have forged Kokoro TTS V050's local voice synthesis, a testament to the power of automation and innovation. As our work here concludes, remember that refinement and improvement are ongoing tasks in this ever-evolving digital forge. Chapter Deep Dive. In this forge, we shape Kokoro TTS V050, a local voice synthesis solution for automated content pipelines. The crucible of creation is the Tachytron2 architecture, a deep learning model that transcribes text into speech. The bellows of our forge are data-driven, fueled by extensive datasets to train and refine the model. Each iteration forges the model's understanding of phonemes, the basic building blocks of human speech. The crucible's heat is applied through attention mechanisms, focusing the model on specific parts of an input sequence to generate more precise and natural-sounding output. The anvil of Kokoro TTS V050 is its architecture, designed with modularity in mind. This allows for easy integration into various content pipelines without compromising performance. However, two common pitfalls must be avoided. Insufficient training data may result in poor speech quality, while overcomplicating the model can lead to longer training times and increased computational resources. To temper the anvil's edge, we introduce the variational autoencoder, V. This tool offers a meaningful variation in output by allowing for more controllable text-to-speech generation. The VAE learns a probabilistic distribution over the training data, enabling the model to generate new and varied speech samples while maintaining the original's naturalness. In the final stages of our forging process, we subject the TTS system to rigorous testing. We ensure that it can handle diverse text inputs, maintain consistent output quality across different voices, and adapt efficiently to changing requirements in an automated content pipeline. Through this refining fire, Kokoro TTS v0.5.0 emerges a resilient and versatile tool for automating your content production. Chapters stress test the anvil echoes with a rhythmic thump as Kokoro TTS v0.5.0 is subjected to the crucible of real-world load. In this trial by fire, the system's resilience and durability are tested beyond the confines of the workshop. The forge hums with a cacophony of voices, each uttering a torrent of words in relentless succession. The furnace roars, stoking the flames that power Kokoro's engines. The system's heart beats steadily, but cracks begin to show. The first anomaly surfaces in the phoneme generation module. Under heavy load, certain sounds are distorted, their precision lost amidst the chaos of intense processing. Like a blacksmith struggling with a recalcitrant piece of metal, we adjust the heat and hammer away at the issue, refining the algorithm to produce clearer output. Next, the buffer overflows, causing temporary stutters in the synthesized voice. It's akin to a forge worker dropping a hot piece of iron, disrupting the rhythm of the work. We widen the buffer and fine-tune the flow control mechanisms, ensuring smooth delivery even under duress. The stress test reveals that Kokoro TTS v0.5.0 can withstand the heat of heavy load, but it's not yet invincible. Each crack and misshape is a lesson in resilience, each adjustment a step towards forging a system that stands the test of time. The forge cools, but the work continues. The system has been tested, and while it holds strong, there are still areas to refine. This is the proof of Kokoro TTS v0.5.0, a system forged in fire, tempered by pressure, and ready to serve in the automated content pipelines of tomorrow. Chapter The Output. In this forge, we've hammered and tempered Kokoro TTS v0.5.0, a system designed to craft local voice synthesis for automated content pipelines. This refined tool, now ready for the anvil, produces high-quality speech files tailored to specific geographic regions. Within a single workday, Kokoro TTS can generate upwards of 500 text-to-speech audio files in various languages, eliminating the need for costly voice actor services. Each file, meticulously forged, is a testament to the pressure and precision applied during its creation. The system's efficiency is not merely in quantity, but also in quality. The voice synthesis offers natural speech patterns, ensuring that your content remains engaging despite automation. By utilizing local voices, your audience experiences a more personalized connection, enhancing their overall experience with your automated content pipeline. In the forge of Kokoro TTS v0.5.0, time is saved and costs eliminated, paving the way for a more efficient and effective means of content delivery in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. In the crucible of progress, your skills have been tempered, apprentice. Now, forge ahead and integrate Kokoro TTS v0.5.0 into your automated content pipelines, shaping your own voice in the digital realm. The fire burns low, but the pressure remains, molding new innovations. Carry on, and may your creations resonate with clarity and precision. Farewell.